everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. So I just received my May Birchbox. So this is what it looks like this month. So it's like a yellow bottom, and then there's a bunch of people, and then there's like an F symbol. I think there might be some sort of charity involved with this month, which we will find out soon. On the back it says Magic Inside. So I'm super excited. I did pick what I'm getting this month, but I'm getting ahead of myself. If you are unfamiliar with what Birchbox is, it is a beauty subscription. At the moment it's $10 per month, but I think new subscribers will now pay $15 per month, and existing subscribers will be bumped up to $13 or stay at $10 depending on their ACE status. But I believe all this goes into effect in June. I do have a promo code. If you want to try this box out, you will get like $3 off your first 3 boxes. So you save like $9. So if you're interested, I will leave that down below. But yeah, so they made some changes since they announced the price increase. We now get 6 items each month, before it was 5. And they also allow you to pick from 2 curated boxes per month. So before it was just 1 curated box you could choose from. They also give you an option to choose between a few samples, or you can choose the option to have a complete surprise. And I almost forgot, they also offer that you can swap your box for one of their discovery kits. If you're familiar with my channel, I often include their discovery kits in my giveaways because I think they're super awesome. So I think that's a cool thing because those have pretty high value, like more than the boxes probably do. But anyways, let's get started. But before we do so, I just want to remind you that I do have several giveaways going on. Definitely check those out. I will leave them in the description box below if you have not yet entered. But yeah, let's see what's in here. Like I said, I picked one of the curated boxes, but oh, shoot. Well, I don't know how that happened, but I just spilled everything on me, like hurt my leg. Excuse my clumsiness. I clearly need more coffee or something today. What was I saying? Oh, I was trying to say, I did pick a curated box, but I honestly can't remember everything that came in it. I mean, I saw some things that fell on top of my lap and on the floor right now, but yeah, anyways, let's just forget that happened and move on. So there is a card on top that says Female Founder Collective in Birchbox. So I think from the look of this, everything in this box is founded by females, but let me read about it. So it says, we're thrilled to announce that we've joined the Female Founder Collective, a network of businesses led by women supporting women. Check out their seal in the front of your box. So that's what that F is for. Your box this month is a celebration of these and all powerful female entrepreneurs. And then there's a picture of Rebecca Minkoff and then Katya, one of the founders of Birchbox right there. So that's cool. And there's always awesome, powerful, amazing women. And then we have a sheet here that says everything that comes inside. They accidentally gave me 2 this month, I guess, on accident. And then there's another note in here. It says, we're proud to celebrate and empower female-founded brands. Cool. Our artists, so they have different artists for the boxes, Leah, Gorgon, and Penelope Gazin. And then all the people on the box, they're actually specific people. And that's really cool. So you can look on here and see who they are. I think this is so cool. And I guess they are having a giveaway going on. So you can enter using the link I am gonna provide below. On their website, you can enter a giveaway and win $445 worth of stuff apparently. But anyways, let's move on to the goodies that are all over the place. Oh, and there's a card that says, free gifts, yes please. Every time you shop with us, be sure to check out our gifts with purchase page. That's true, I always get like a bonus thing when I shop online on their website. Cool. So the first thing I see, which I'm really excited about, is a beauty blender. So this is it says Be Cheeky, the beauty blusher. So it's a little bit smaller. It will expand obviously when you put it underwater, but I guess they say this is for cheeks, like blush products, but honestly you can use these however you want. You can use the little ones for under your eyes, you can use it over your face, whatever works for you. So this is $16, so this is more than the box, even if you're paying $15, awesome. It says it's the perfect size for cream or powder blushes or highlighters. It's designed to curve to the apples of your cheeks. Awesome, and this is a quote by Ria Ann Silva, the creator and CEO of Beauty Blender. Awesome. Next up, oh, this is something by Smith & Co. This is a nail polish, which of course is full size. Well, I shouldn't say of course, but if you can see how big this is, it's a full size nail polish. And this is in Doe My Dear. This looks really like a pretty nude. So this is $18. See, Birchbox is stepping it up. One coat gives nails a sheer gray taupe color that flatters almost any skin tone. 2 coats makes more of a statement. Cool. No way. Okay, this is a little bit different, but I just filmed a video right before this and I brought up this company, Real Chemistry, saying how I liked their like facial peel. If you've heard of this company, you probably know of their peels. But this is Real Chemistry Environmental Rescue Daily Serum. So it's like a little ampule. I wonder if it would like snap off the top. So it's pretty small. It's only 5 mLs. So this is obviously a sample. The full size is $44. And it says, think of this lightweight serum as an invisible army of antioxidants. It fights against fine lines, improves elasticity, and makes your skin tone even more even and bright. And Karen Griffin is the founder of Real Chemistry. Cool. Next up, we have a Benefit Mini, the High Beam Satiny Pink Complexion Highlighter. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. And here is the High Beam. This is a pretty good size for a liquid illuminator. Let me see what this says. Yeah, so the full size is $26. Oh, cool. And it's a brush tip applicator. Let me put some on my hand. I have like some remnants of a highlighter I applied in my last video. So if you see gold, that's what it is. So it came out like pretty pink right there. Let me spread it out a little bit. Ooh, this is definitely more of something that would work with my skin tone since I have some like pink undertones and I am so fair. The other one I swatched earlier, if you can see any remnants of that, was gold. So I am excited to try this. Have you guys tried this before? So like I said, the full size of this Benefit High Beam Liquid Face Highlighter is $26 and it says, ever wish you can simply paint on a glow? It's very much possible with the help of the satin pink highlighter that makes your skin look like it's drawing in light. I could use this today. I'm wearing like a lot of pinks today, like pinks on my eyes and my cheeks and my lips. So I could have used a pink highlighter. I actually thought about that after the fact. I'm like, oh, I should have used my Ofra Pillow Talk because it has like a little bit of pink in it. But anyways, let's move on. Here's something I actually already have, but I like it. So this is the Moroccan Oil treatment for fine or light colored hair. I definitely have both of those, very fine hair. So this is like a staple in a lot of people's hair care routines, I believe. I've heard about this forever and I got a sample in something before. It might have even been a Birchbox, but I chose a Curia box, so I knew I was getting something I've already tried and I've used about half of it already because like a little bit goes a long way. Like seriously, this is a small size. How big is this? 10 mLs. You only need like 1 or 2 drops and like you just put it on the ends of your hair and it works so well. I really like it. I probably could use some. So this is the full size of the Moroccan Oil Treatment Light is $34. And this treatment is a versatile all-in-one product that can be used to condition, style, and finish your look. It's specifically formulated for light colored and fine hair to make those delicate hair types smoother and more manageable. And that was a quote from Carmen Tal, the co-founder of Moroccan Oil. Cool. And then there's one more thing, which is a Lippy by Grande Lips, the Plumping Liquid Lipstick. I have a few full sizes of this. I don't mind getting lipstick minis because have you ever finished lipstick before? I haven't. So this will last a long time. Ooh, I like their doe foot. So what color is this in? Does it say? Let's see if it says in here. So this is in Vintage Rose. This is seriously looks like a color I would love. Oh my god, that is so my color. Yes, I love it. Oh man, my battery light is flashing. I'm trying to film a few videos today. I usually just film like 1 or 2 a day, so I'm gonna have to take a break I guess after this, but it's almost time for me to eat. I'm doing intermittent fasting. Right now it's 11:42 a.m. I can eat at 12, so perfect timing. But anyways, see, that's probably why I'm so absent-minded today. I need some food, but the Grande Lips Hydro Plumping Liquid Lipstick in Vintage Rose, the full size would be $25. And it says, this 3-in-1 liquid lipstick is creamy semi-matte formula. It's built for comfort and will never crack or crease. It'll give you the healthy, plump, hydrated lips you've always wanted. I seriously love that mauvey pretty color. Like Vintage Rose. Anything that's like dusty rose or has rose in it, I generally like those products. So I think this was a great month. Oh, and there's like a sticker in here. It says stronger together. We are women stronger together. Hell yeah, I like that sticker. So yeah, that is everything. So I think this was a great Birchbox month, and it was definitely worth the price. I know some people think like, oh, you just get itty bitty samples, but I got 2 full-size things, and the rest of them I think are good sizes. So the full size, I have a beauty blender, awesome, $16, and then this full-size nail polish, which is what, $18? Like, that's awesome, and this looks so cool. I'm excited to try that color. And then I really like the Moroccan hair treatment. I know this sample size lasts a long time because I've used it, or had this, still have this. The lip color is gorgeous, so happy. I think this highlight, like, I'm slowly starting to try more liquid products. I'm definitely more of a powder girl, like in terms of my face products. Like I use liquid foundation, I guess, you know, but like I don't really use liquid like bronzers and highlighters and blushes and all that, and I'm starting to try it out more, so I am definitely excited to try this. I think it'll work with my skin tone. I feel like they're really like following my profile because they gave me a hair product for, you know, like fine light colored hair, which I have obviously, and also something that fits my skin tone, which is really cool. I like Real Chemistry, seriously just talked about it like 10 minutes ago in another video, so I am pumped to try this. I might save it for when I'm traveling, I don't know. Just got some other skincare. Just opened my BoxyCharm limited edition skincare box. So yeah, that's everything. I really like this box. So what do you guys think? I know a lot of people have like iffy feelings about Birchbox, but I mean, maybe I'm biased because they were my very first subscription box, but I like it. So yeah, if you're interested, I will leave my referral link with that deal down below. It should be automatically applied when you use it, I believe, or if you scroll down the page, it'll give you a code to use at checkout. It's either one of those, but it'll be on the screen when you click that link. So yeah, and also my giveaway links will be down below and all that good stuff. Social media, follow me if you have not already and want to, because I post a lot on those as well. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you for unboxing with me, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.